Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing app icons on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you don't like the icon of a certain app or would just like to customize your home screen, then you can change the app icons on your iPhone. There isn't a setting on the iPhone to do this easily, but there is a workaround to be able to do it. For this example, I will replace the X icon with the original Twitter bird icon. You do it in the Shortcuts app. It should be downloaded to your iPhone by default, but you can get it in the App Store if it is not. First, open a web browser and search for the icon or image that you would like to replace the icon with. If you are replacing it with a photo that is in your camera roll already, or you will take it live, then you can skip this step. Hold down on the image to get up this menu, then tap Save to Photos. Now open the Shortcuts app. Tap the plus in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap Add Action and type the word Nothing into the search bar. Select the action named Nothing. Then tap on the search bar at the bottom of the page and type Open App. Then select the Open App action. Tap App and use the search bar to search for and select the app that you would like to change the icon for. Now tap the down arrow to the right of Open App at the top of the page. Select Add to Home Screen from the options. Here you can name the app. Name it the same as the original app, or if you would like to change the app name as well as the icon, you can change it here. Tap the image icon on the left. Then tap Choose Photo, or Take Photo if you would like to take a live photo. Choose the photo that you would like to be the app icon, then tap Choose. Tap Add in the top right corner. Hold down on and drag the new app to where you would like it. Hold down on the original app and tap Remove App. Then tap Remove from Home Screen. You can now use your new app as you normally would. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.